Your stomach growls at 3 a.m. and you assume it's hunger. It isn't. That sound is your gut running a violence-grade cleaning cycle. It only performs when there's no food around to interrupt it. Here's what almost everyone gets wrong. You think the growl means, I need food. Your gut isn't asking for food. It's already mid-task, and the growl is a side effect, not a request. Your digestive tract doesn't shut off between meals. It switches modes. While you're fasting, even for a few hours, it runs a recurring wave called the Migrating Motor Complex. This wave repeats every 90 to 120 minutes as long as your stomach stays empty. There are 4 phases. Phases 1 and 2 are quiet, slow, irregular contractions, mostly setup. Phase 3 is the one you can hear and feel. Phase 3 is violent. Strong, rhythmic contractions roll from your stomach down through your small intestine toward your colon. 3 minutes. Then it's gone. This wave isn't moving food. There's no food left to move. It's moving everything else. Leftover crumbs, dead cells, your gut lining sheds constantly, and bacteria that have drifted somewhere they shouldn't be. Phase 3 pushes all of it forward toward the exit in one coordinated sweep. Think of it like a factory floor crew that only runs the industrial pressure washer after the last shift clocks out and the building sits empty. The second a worker walks back in, the washer shuts off, no matter how dirty the floor still is. Your gut works the same way. Food is the worker walking back in. The moment anything enters your stomach, a full meal, a handful of nuts, even a few sips of a sugary drink, Phase 3 stops immediately. Not slows down, stops. Your gut switches straight back to digestion mode. The cleaning crew clocks out mid-shift. This is why people who graze all day, small snacks every hour or two, almost never let Phase 3 finish a full cycle. Their gut starts the sweep, gets interrupted, starts again, gets interrupted again. Hours can pass, the floor never gets fully cleaned, and the bacteria part matters more than it sounds. Your small intestine is supposed to have far fewer bacteria than your colon. Phase 3 is one of the main reasons that balance holds. Without regular complete sweeps, bacteria can drift upstream and overgrow where they don't belong. Doctors have a name for this: SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. So that 3 a.m. growl isn't your stomach complaining about emptiness. It's the sound of contractions strong enough to move solid debris through several feet of intestine. You're hearing the machinery, not the absence of food. Here's the flip. The advice to never let yourself feel hungry works directly against this system. Eating to silence every growl interrupts the one process designed to run during the gap. The hunger pang isn't a malfunction, it's a maintenance window. There's a clinical reason fasting protocols and pre-surgery fasting windows exist beyond just calorie control. Doctors want Phase 3 to complete uninterrupted because a clean gut behaves more predictably and digests the next meal more efficiently. None of this means starve yourself. It means the growl you've spent years treating as an emergency is closer to a notification that a background process finished a cycle. The hunger pang you've spent years silencing with a midnight snack was actually your gut's janitorial crew getting interrupted mid-shift. If this surprised you, subscribe. We post a new body mystery every day.